How to create alignment for circular part or 2D part in RDMIS. Well, start from basic. So we are going to create alignment for 2D or turning parts. Well, then we are going to establish a new coordinate system starting with 3, 2, 1. What is the 3, 2, 1? Primary, secondary and tertiary. So let's try. So we are going to take plane for locking Z direction, or should I say for primary process I will going to keep plane 1. It will going to restrict rotation and translation. So 2 rotational, 1 translation will going to be a lock. Taking inner diameter, right, for tertiary, and tertiary will going to define my center point or origin. Now the most important thing that I will going to construct or projecting on the plane this circle for origin and also for alignment purpose. Okay, you will see the learn mode off, but how should I do this? Then start the learn mode on, and you can see I will going to simply drag, but I just forget to add definition. So here is the feature definition. Again I will going to step by step. Okay, first of all feature definition, and then I will going to actual feature points. Again construction definition and actual feature construction feature. So we have created all this required. Then go to the coordinate system 3, 2, 1. Then I will going to delete all the existence features I have taken. Then I will going to choose Z plus for primary, right? And for secondary it does not require. So primary will going to be a plane. Then secondary, tertiary will going to use circle projection, right? So here it is. You can see this is the actual matching to our master coordinate system MCS. So simply add an active. That's it. You have done it. You can use now onwards making a program. Like, share, subscribe and comment below for discussion.